Hey, greetings, my beautiful people. I am so honored and pleased that you would spend a few minutes of your day with me. If you would like to follow along, I do two things on my channel. One, I tell stories. I tell stories of where the sacred encounters the ordinary. I call them moments of sanctuary. And I have a healthy obsession for unboxings. So if you're interested in only one or the other, just don't click play on the ones you're not interested in. It does not hurt my feelings and it doesn't waste any of your time. But it does make my feelings feel happy if you give me a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button for the videos that you do care about. And I promise I will do my best to bring you the things that make your day a little brighter. So today's video, from the title, is a Tjmaxx unboxing. I obviously ordered from Tjmaxx online, but it's been a couple weeks. I can't remember honestly all the things that I ordered. I think there was about 6 or 7 pieces. And the main thing I also wanted to share, besides the clothes themselves, is that if you have a Tjmaxx in your area, which there are so many in our country, you can order online. You can get, in this case, it was $50 for free shipping. So you just put a bunch of stuff in your box. You can get it, try it on from your home, be convenient, and then you don't have to even ship it back. You can take it to your local Tjmaxx and get refunded whatever didn't fit or look right, or see if they have an exchange. But the way Tjmaxx works, there's always something different, and what's at one store may or may not be at another store, but you do get inspiration for sure. So let me show you the size of this box. Is huge. I'm thinking I did put a tote in here, but I did just get a tote from my Stitch Fix box. So let me cut this real quick and we will see what all it is. Lots of bubble wrap, no pretty tissue, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Lots of bubble wrap. All right, oh, I forgot about these things. See, when you don't remember what you ordered, it's like a surprise all over again. All right, so I did order a jacket, which I know it's summer. It's weird to order a jacket, but this is like a rain jacket. It's like a rain jacket trench, and it's by spiga. And it has a cute hood. It's kind of the slick material, so you can use it as a rain jacket. Got a tie, cute buttons, and I really like the darker color as well as the button detail on the back. So I look forward to trying that on. I don't see a pricing sheet up top, but as soon as I find that, I will post them all in the description for you too. Oh, I do remember these. See, I've forgotten I ordered all this stuff. Okay. These are a pair of little cute shorts by Lulumari. And they have the pearls on them, which is probably maybe a little too young for me, but they were $15. So I was like, $15, we're going to give them a try. And I thought, you know, I could always take the beads maybe off because the back is plain. And I liked a little distressing. But I just got a pair of shorts from Stitch Fix, so I might not need these. But like I said, you just take it back to the store if it doesn't work. So next is, maybe I should take all the plastic off. Let me take all the plastic off and I'll come back and show you because I don't like all this crinkling. Welcome back. So now that I got the plastic off, hope it doesn't blow out. This is a dress. It's got Scenes of London on it. And I think everything I got was like, I think the jacket was $36. I think maybe that dress was like $30. I'll put the prices down below. Here's the shorts. These are Trina Turk, and they're kind of a really nice thick kind of jacquard material. And those might have been $40. That's an expensive brand. This shirt is caught on the tag here, but it's simple on the front, just kind of a little heathered rosy, but it's got a drapey back. And I think this was like $14 or something. This shirt was similar to one that I saw in Wannable that was really, really expensive, and I thought, for $15 we'll try it from TJ Maxx. And then here's the bag. So here's the tote. Oh, it's got pom-pom balls and handle, and it's really, really big, which is probably why the box was really, really big. And I know this was $20. So I don't know that I'll keep this one since I got the lovely, lovely Stitch Fix one, but it has pockets on the side. You can put your cell phone, and it's got a zipper over here for your wallet. You can put that. So this is really cute, and I'm actually going on 2 or 3 vacations, so it may be that I just make 2 or 3 bags since the price on that is pretty good deal. So let me try some stuff on. I'll be right back. Y'all can give me input on what I should keep, what I should take back to TJ Maxx. Okay, so found the paperwork. This is the scoop neck cap sleeve top in dusty pink, size small, $12.99. So it's very soft. I like the sleeves. I think the back is pretty cute. The pants, the shorts, are the pearl embellished denim shorts, and they are $15. So $12.99 for the top and $15 for the shorts. They're a little short, so I don't know. Okay, next I have the Trina Turk shorts on, and they were $40 and now they went on sale for $29, which is why I remember now I got this whole TJ Maxx haul, because I wanted to go ahead and try these shorts for $29. And I love them. I think they're super cute, super festive. I think they're the perfect length. They don't... Next, this is the London print sheath dress, $29.99. So $30 dress. It's just a tapered, straight dress. Comes a little bit to mid-knee. Looks similar on the back side. Nothing cut out, nothing too fancy. Last we have the scarpa trench in green. So I guess it's an olive green. You can button it. It does have a hood. And a tie. So yeah, just fairly lightweight, and I don't know that I showed the lining, but it's kind of got the rain slicker on the outside, and then it's got this cute chevron lining on the inside. Kind of clashes with the London, but hey, if it's a rain jacket, you're probably not wearing it just all the time, just to get out of the rain. So this is the most expensive item at $36, so I'll be right back. Hey, so sorry about my hair too. I made an appointment with my hairstylist after taking some time off, but he's very popular and it takes a while to get into an appointment. So I'm just wearing it up for a while. So yeah, these 6 items total, I think I've gone over all the prices and I'll put them in the description, but it even encourages you on here that they will charge you like $5.95 minus your purchasing price if you ship it back, and it even has a note on there to avoid return charges. Please drop it off at your local TJ Maxx. So there you go. They want you to do this system, so you can go on to TJ Maxx, find some fantastic deals for yourself, have fun trying them on, interacting with your own stuff in your own wardrobe, and then you can do free returns that way. So please leave me a comment what you think are things that I should keep. Do I need 2 bags? Do I need another pair of denim shorts? Those were a little short. I'm on the fence about those. Gonna have to try them back on. Pretty much keeping the Trina Turk for sure. Probably gonna keep this dress. Probably gonna keep the raincoat. Gonna play around with it, but that's the beauty, because I think you have 40 days. You have 40 days, so 40 days to decide. That's pretty significant time to play with it and see. Just keep the tags on it, wear it around your house, switch it out with your wardrobe, and have some fun. So I hope you find the things in your day that bring you joy. I love doing these kind of things, and I appreciate the opportunity to share them with you. Like and subscribe, help me out. Appreciate. Bye-bye.